All righty. Well, greetings and good morning, world.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody.
Yes, 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 yes. Coach is up bright and early, still texting and look, but the battery ain't dead yet. Look, look. I'm gonna be transparent. I'm just getting up that too long ago. Look, Locke's looking a mess, but it's all good. We're grinded in the trenches. I've never felt so excited before in my life. This amazing feeling. We had an amazing session last night, very powerful session. Um,
Yes,
it always happens. Financial freedom lives. See, Financial Freedom
yes.
Fridays. So many lives were impacted and changed. So really thankful and blessed for that. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Amazing, blessed, prosperous. This is a super Saturday, a sensational Saturday. Get ready for your increases. We'll go ahead and get the proper party started. Look, coach is warming up. All right. I'm still trying to warm up. I got my tea. So, I'm about to get in the groove and we're about to make it happen. We're live and direct and full effect. This is day 15. It's crazy.
Yes,
It's like just yesterday we launched it and we're on day 15 of the Financial Crusade, the Extreme Wealth Makeover.
yes.
Wow. So,
So excited.
you guys just go ahead, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, right? We put so many people in position not only to make money and see profits every day, but some people actually first time in their lives experience a residual check bright and early this morning.
Yes,
That was powerful.
right.
Seeing
That's
that Bitcoin can grow on autopilot and it'll continuously grow, not just every day, but they'll receive so many people. We put them in position to receive and be in a position to start receiving every single week
yes.
and grow into a weekly stimulus. That is, look, maybe we should call this Stimulus Saturdays.
Hey, I like that.
Right? We're going to
Yes,
stimulate your income every Saturday, right? If you need an
yes.
increase, if you need stimulus on your income, right? Go ahead, drop it in the chat. We will not be long. We will be strong. We're about to get the proper party started, all right?
Yes, yes. We're gonna invite a few people. Our
Absolutely.
investors are hopping on.
Yeah, we started a couple minutes late, so we'll give it a couple minutes.
Yes. Financial stimulus Saturday.
Yes, that is the new name, Financial Stimulus Saturdays.
Got it,
Right.
got it.
So if you need a stimulus, right? I don't know if the Trump gave you, well, actually, I'm sure Trump gave America that one stimulus. Now, Coach, Financial Minister, we're going to give you a weekly stimulus every single week. So we're going to give you guys a couple minutes to get started. I'm sure some of you are just waking up. All right. It's all good. I am too.
No
Be
way.
transparent. Look, just like literally an hour ago, barely. Like, so we're going nigga do what it do, right? The grind never stops, right?
Grind
Half
never
sleep,
stops.
half awake, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna be here and you guys are gonna give me energy. I'm gonna be awake in like 3 minutes. It's all good.
Mm.
Y'all gonna wake me up, all right? You might even convince me to give away some Bitcoin. Maybe not this early, but next session. All
Yes.
right. So people are waking up. Absolutely. Let's see some increase. Let's get the party started. All right. We're a few minutes late, so we'll be respectful and give you guys a few minutes as well. Invite three people you care about, three people you love, and at least that one person you know, whether it's your ex. Look, don't be a hater forever. Okay. Even if that's your ex, if they need a breakthrough, they need to be on this live. Okay. Why are you laughing? I'm serious. All right. Yes, everybody needs. Look, what coach say? This is no respect of persons,
That's right.
right? So anybody can get it. Anybody can get. All right,
That's right.
excellent. Yes,
Right.
anybody can get financial freedom. Everyone deserves financial freedom. Everyone deserves to have a level playing field, no matter who you are, where you are. We're about to show you how to turn your pain to profit to prosperity. It's 11:11. I think we should go ahead and be fair. We're going to get the party started in 4 minutes. 4 minutes, we're going to get the party
Perfect.
started. We just need everyone to go ahead, do what they do. You guys know the routine. Three people you love, three people you care about, one person that needs that financial blessing or breakthrough. Ooh, all right. Let me
I
go ahead
am
and
inviting. I'm
love.
inviting. Yes.
Look, if Coach is steadily inviting, y'all need to be inviting as well.
Absolutely. I want
Absolutely.
people to be free. I always have a long list of folks who I know need to be financially free, and we've
Yes,
got the answer.
we
We've
got
got
the
the
answer. Everybody needs a solution. So
yes,
do not be
yes.
selfish, right? We need you guys to pass the blessing along because we're giving it to you for free.
Absolutely.
All right. So we're going to give it 3 minutes. Let me go ahead and set up. Somebody can type show me the money. 2 minutes, we're going to get the profit party started. So go ahead, invite your family, your friends, your co-workers, your loved ones. I don't care who it is, anyone. Three people you love, three people you care about, one person that you know. Everyone knows someone that needs a financial blessing, a breakthrough, someone that's hurting, someone that always, complaining. Not everyone is. Everyone's complaining now, so everyone needs that breakthrough. All right. And again, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We're going to get the profit party started. It is Stimulus Saturdays. This won't be a long session, but it will be a powerful session. So sit back, relax, put your seatbelts on, have your mind ready to open and receive your blessing. All
Yes,
right. We got 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. No, ladies first. Coach, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself? Then I'll introduce myself and we'll get this party started.
awesome, awesome, awesome. I am just so blessed and happy to be here with each and every one of you, an opportunity to share this amazing platform with everyone. My name is Christina Johnson. I am affectionately referred to as Coach CJ, and I tell you the truth. We are truly just soaring. We're soaring with excitement and enthusiasm and passion to just share this amazing free information with you. It's not going to cost you a dime, just an open mind. That is it.
Mm.
That's it. So we're here and committed day 15 on our blitz, our marathon that we're doing for 30 days. We are halfway in as of today.
Wow.
And our goal is to assist 2020 individuals become financially free in this year of 2020. And that
Mm.
could be you. That could be you. If you decide for it to be you, I mean, what I know this isn't a popular phrase in our current state, but what do you have to lose? What do you have
Mm.
to lose? That's the point that I had to get to. I had nothing to lose and everything to gain.
Wow.
Nothing to lose and everything to gain if this company did exactly what it said that it would do. And I am telling you, 5.5 months in, this company has done exactly what they said they were going to do and more,
Mm.
above and beyond, exceeding abundantly
Woo!
above all that I could ask, think, dream, or imagine. So we are here today to share with you. We have a financial minister. You ready for you? You ready for me? You ready for me? You ready?
Yes.
Huh? all the way from the East Coast,
Uh-oh.
the financial minister,
Who,
Mr.
who, who?
Marvin Tackey, bringing the heat this morning, freeing the people this morning. Are you there, financial minister?
I am here live and direct in full effect. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Look, all right, we're going to have another talk offline, all right? But I appreciate that warm, welcoming, amazing introduction. Like Coach says, I am the financial minister. I'm blessed. I'm excited to be here with you on this amazing, blessed, stimulus Saturdays, right? I'm so excited to show you not this. I don't even care about this US dollar, right? Maybe some of you are excited about this 58, 53. I'm more concerned about this number because this is the number of Bitcoin. See, Coach just said it. She said since 5.5 months now, right? We've been experiencing this amazing blessing. This is a blessing, not just us, but hundreds of people that we've also helped experience this blessing, right? This platform has helped thousands, multiple thousands. I believe it's like 30,000 now. People experience this blessing. This is powerful. And the only thing that's stopping you from receiving it is you. Because there's no old bars, there's no barriers. It's free. All the excuses are off the table. Are you ready to receive your blessing or your breakthrough? You decide. So now we're going to show you. We're going to show you proof no matter who you are, no matter where you are, you can experience these profits because we did nothing for these. Yes, we're Forex traders. Take that out the window. This ain't about us. This is about you. Okay. It's that simple. This ain't about us. We can still be sleeping. We're going to do this for you. No, let's keep 100. We can still be sleeping, right? Because the most, look, let me keep 100. The most money that's made is when people are sleeping.
That's so
Right?
true.
Don't let me get started preaching. Okay. So, look, I started this, I believe, a day after Coach did, right? Because this made too much sense, right? But Coach said, this will give you exceedingly abundantly more, right? So, because I was ready to receive, I started receiving and I created another account for my late mom to receive more, abundantly more, right? Because rocket science, look, this ain't rocket science,
That's
right?
right.
10 to 12% a month. Ladies and gentlemen, you're probably scratching your head because you know the bank ain't paying you, or the bank is barely paying you 0.07 a year. I just said 10 to 12% a month, and now I'm gonna prove it to you. I didn't do nothing for this. Coach ain't do nothing for this. Everybody got this. That's what's so powerful. That's why we're so excited. That's why we know we're going to free 2,020 families way before the year's done. Okay? So when I've decided common sense is not common, but it was very common to me, I said, let me receive double portion. I created another investment account on behalf of my late mom because I want to build a hotel in Ghana in honor of her. And this platform, this specific account, is going to do that for her, right? Started this account back in January with $500, right? After I seen the amazing profits of what it was doing for my account, which I started with 200,
Yes.
right? So this was a Friday. Just like yesterday was a Financial Freedom Friday, this was the first result on a Financial Freedom Friday, January 18th. Look, 0.57%. Why am I so excited? I ain't do nothing for that. Everybody got that result, whether they understood Forex, whether they understand Bitcoin, no matter who they are, where they are. Everyone got that profit. And you just heard me say, you all know your bank is paying you 0.7 a year. But hold on. We came back money making Monday. So you got to speak these things into existence,
Yes.
right? People don't understand that. This is a Monday, January 21st, 0.77. The Tuesday, 0.16. Wealthy Wednesdays. Look, numbers don't lie. People do. 0.66. Thriving Thursdays, 0.70. Back again, Financial Freedom Friday, 0.55. Hold on, this ain't rocket science. Look, opening balance, trading bonus, closing balance. Increase, 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 increase. Numbers don't lie, right? And again, get this through your head. I did nothing for this. Everyone got this. Why didn't you? Because you didn't know. Well, now you know. Knowing is half the battle, right? So now we're going to show you how you can also get these results. The world is in pain, the world is in chaos, but now we're going to shift. This is the largest shift of wealth happening. Just look at these results. And why is this important? We're all locked down. We're in February now. Look at this. Everyone's locked down. The money ain't locked down. Money is still growing. You have not seen a loss. Every day is profit. Now we're in March. Look at this, 0.91. This is powerful. All down to yesterday, 0.40. The day before that, I mean, goodness. Now, let's show you how you can achieve these same results. No matter who you are, where you are, right? I'm going to go ahead and introduce myself. Now I have your attention. My name is Marvin Tackey. I am the financial minister. I'm the founder and creator of Create Wealth Network. Like Coach said, we're so passionate, we're so excited to be here with you every single day. We started 15 days ago, and we're going to go another 15 days for 30 days straight. This is a financial crusade. This is a financial marathon. This is what we call the extreme wealth makeover, where we're going to take anyone and everyone for free and show them how to create wealth. Okay. The second thing, this is for everyone because there's no network marketing, no MLM, none of that stuff. This is simply showing everyone how to become their own bank, how to become an investor. Now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay. Why we're so excited, we actually chose a strategic partnership and we've actually picked this investment platform. Coach already told you the reason why we picked this platform is because never before have we seen anything where everyone and anyone can win. As I go through this information, you'll see exactly why I say that. Okay. Mirror Trading International is the company that we've chosen. I'm going to address it as MTI for short, so please stick with me. MTI is a licensed and registered company. It's based in the Republic of South Africa. It was founded in April of 2019. We're so excited. We're actually celebrating 1 year in business, 1 year in prosperity and investments. Excuse me. The company's headquarters, the registered office is in the Western Cape of South Africa. This man right here, Johan Steinberg, he is a man behind the whole master plan. He's the CEO and founder of MTI. I love how this gentleman set this platform up. I've never seen anything like this. Okay. The main and only principle is everyone wins with MTI. The foundation, the backbone of the company is based off of 100% transparency. As I go through the information, you'll see exactly why I say that. The company has all the ducks in place, their I's dotted, their T's crossed. Their attorneys and legal advisors, they're all Rick and Rokes. They're in Johannesburg. They're there to make sure MTI is legal, compliant, able to operate and protect its investors all across the globe. Okay. Why are you here this morning, this afternoon? I don't know. Maybe it's this evening, whatever part of the world you're in. Okay. Remember, this is a global platform. No respect of persons. You're here simply to learn how to grow and compound your Bitcoin. Well, why Bitcoin? Well, let me talk to the ladies and gentlemen that hey, let me talk to you guys and gals that maybe have no clue or maybe have some speculations about Bitcoin. No, it's not a real coin that has a B in it, right? You don't hold it in your hand. It is digital currency, right? We like to say it's digital gold, right? Because gold is an asset. But what's unique about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the only asset in the world that's outproduced gold and real estate. Okay, that's a fact. Okay, so it's the people's money. When I say it's the people's money, no government, no third party, no central bank can manipulate it, right? And the main thing is you need to get as much as you can as fast as you can. Why? Because financial experts are saying what's happening in the next few days, right? This is why we're going so hard to put people in position. There's something called the halvening. Okay. And if you Google, you'll see that financial experts are saying this one Bitcoin that's 8,900 now is on its way to 100 grand, 135 grand next year, 2021. These same experts are saying what in 2023, one Bitcoin maybe 400, 500 grand, even $1 million for one. So get as much as you can as fast as you can. That's why you're on this call. Okay, let me talk to the people and address the ladies and gentlemen that do know Bitcoin. Maybe you're blessed to have some Bitcoin, right? Maybe you have a half a Bitcoin or one full Bitcoin. Well, the truth of the matter is you have that one Bitcoin being lazy in a wallet collecting dust. It ain't doing nothing for you. Today, tomorrow, next week, forever, it's one Bitcoin. The difference over here, right, is MTI will grow and compound your Bitcoin, allow you to earn Bitcoin every single day. We have an amazing system, Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. What does that mean, Marv? Simply, every single deposit that's coming into the system is Bitcoin. Every single profit that's generated from the system that pays out is in Bitcoin. So you're in an amazing position where you earn more Bitcoin daily. Close your eyes and think of it this. Okay, think of it this way. If someone gave you some gold and they told you that gold was going to just keep growing and growing and growing and growing every single day, that's what happens with Bitcoin. Okay, so that's why I said I had to knock on wood, right? Because nothing's guaranteed in the market. But 11 months straight, we've been experiencing 10 to 12% a month growth in our Bitcoin. That's unheard of. Okay, that's actually insane because no one can experience those type of numbers. But when the price of Bitcoin rises, I like to say you can double dip. Okay, we had an amazing week because Bitcoin is on the way going to the moon. All
Yeah.
right. Not only can you double dip, coach, but you can profit on money growing money. How is this done? Okay, this is trading forex. We just talked about this. Okay, we're not going to give you a forex lesson because that's not what this is about. But just for your know, forex is a $6.7 trillion a day industry. We've been participating in this, right? But we're excited because you don't have to learn the skill set if you don't want to. You don't have to take 2 years, countless of hours, blood, sweat, and tears, thousands of dollars to get that skill set like we did. But now we can level the playing field. Johann Steinberg says everyone wins. So now Monday through Friday, you can earn 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Your money's working for you. And this AI software is taking sometimes 6, 7, even 800 trades a day on your behalf. And Bitcoin's the base currency. It's powerful. Okay. The profits that are generated from MCI, they come solely from the trading activities. Excuse me. What does that mean? This is a real business. This is sustainable. This is long term. We don't care about people joining. This was really important to me, Chris,
Yes.
because when I saw this, I said, look, this separates us, right? Don't get me wrong. This is not network marketing. I don't know if I gave that disclaimer. This is about investing. Nothing's wrong with network marketing. That's just not what this is about. That's not what I'm trying to do, right? I wanted something long term sustainable, was tired of recruiting and all that stuff. And I just wanted something where I knew my money's going to work for me. So that's why this really attracted me because look, your full Bitcoin investment goes into your trading account. I was impressed by that because this told me that look, there's no car programs, no fancy titles. My money ain't going here, there, whatever. Every single cent of your investment is working for you. Your money working harder than you do, regardless if you work or not. What does that mean? It's giving you passive income. Now you can earn passively from the daily trading activities. And it's no experience required because this software is doing the work for you. Now, hold on, because a lot of you may have had experience with the AI software. Let me be transparent. Watch this. We've been trading for some time now, coach. I
Yes.
don't know if you know, I believe maybe it was sometime last year. A good friend of mine, he told me about this AI software and so forth. I threw in a couple $100 to see what it'll do. Gave me some profits for the first week. Not even a week, for the first couple of days. After that, that thing blew my account, right? Luckily,
Right.
it was a few $100, so it wasn't no big deal, right? Never invest with money you can't afford to lose. But when I came over here and I heard about the AI, I was like, oh, well, I know about these AI stuff. That last one blew my account, right? Because
Right.
the AI, no matter how good it does, it can adjust to market conditions that change in the foreign exchange market.
Right.
But when I looked at MTI, did my due diligence and find out this is not just some bot that's just trading, right? That eventually will blow our account. Coach, I found out, and I know you know, but
Yes.
this is managed software.
Yes.
Let
Yes.
me tell you the difference, and this was huge. Not only is the bot, because here's the thing, MTI has been in existence. Look, we're celebrating 1 year, okay? But Johann Steinberg, before he acquired the license, the proprietary license for this software had a proven track record for 2 years already.
Right.
2 years already. So this is managed software. This actually licensed professional traders that constantly manage and monitor the software. Because market conditions change, they have to make tweaks and adjust the software. So I'm excited. That's why I can say we're blessed 11 months straight, no losses. Okay. And again, this is amazing. No admin fees, no membership fees, right? There's no members here because there's no membership. Only investors. No subscriptions, nothing to buy, nothing to sell. No packages, no costs, no deductions. I got excited about that,
That's right.
right? I can
Yes.
share something that's free,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And feel good about it.
Mm.
And feel good about it because coach, no, I gotta be transparent. There's a lot of things I've done before. And it hurt me because someone couldn't afford it.
Right.
They couldn't afford it. That stuff hurts when you know someone needs help and they can't afford it. But now everyone can afford free 99, right?
Exactly.
This is I don't even want to let's say the word example because this is living story. This is 2 Thursdays ago, the 16th. Look at the results. This is amazing. Johann Steinberg said everyone wins. Okay, it's very simple. Everyone will get 40% of the profits according to the size of their account. So if you got a lot of money, this is for you. If you don't have any money, this is for you. If you're just thinking about becoming an investor 15 minutes ago when I was showing all those profits, this is for you. Okay, there's even an additional more money you can tap into, additional 20% weekly profit sharing pool. Don't get me wrong, we love blessing you guys. I can't wait to take a look at my back office when we get off of this and go calculate my 20% weekly check. Even that compounds and
Even
grows.
that pounds.
That's
Yes.
crazy. Everything here grows your Bitcoin, right? This is amazing. All right. Well, like, forgive me, guys. Like, we look, even that compounds, all right? But I'm gonna let Coach talk about that. 5%, another 5% you can tap into. Basically, look, let me keep on it. You can tap into anything on this slide, everything, even MTI's portion. Yes, the portion that goes to the CEO, this company for the back office and maintenance. We can even tap into that. The coach is going to show you how to do that. Okay, the trading software. The trading, look, we can't touch that. They have to get 25% for the bot, the software, and the people that manage that. Let me keep 100. They can get 40, 50%. I ain't mad. 11 months straight, right? But all income is subject to positive daily trading results. What does that mean? No profits to be made. There's nothing that can be paid. Yes, we all, this is a trading pool. It costs you nothing. So we all share in the profits, right? You see my pearly whites? We all share in the profits for 11 months straight.
Yes.
But if there's a loss Monday, because nothing's guaranteed, right? Nothing's guaranteed. Let me keep 100. If there's a loss, we all share in the loss. What happens? There's no profits that day. Nobody
Right.
makes any money, and we go back that Tuesday, right? And that's fair. Okay, you'll get results every single day. You constantly know what your investment is doing, right? Some people don't even check it a day. Me, I'm obsessed. I don't want to care. I don't care about the 7 to 8 pages of trades. I want to see how much my Bitcoin is growing every day and compound. That's just me. Okay. Again, this is powerful. The profits are automatically compounded. What does that mean? You make $8, $80, $800 worth of Bitcoin that one day,
Mhm.
that's automatically compounded for you, added to your new account for the next day. So now you're trading at $1,800 or whatever it is. Okay. Compound profits, the eighth wonder of the world. It's very simple. Albert Einstein, I'm telling you, he said it best. Those that understand it will continuously earn it. Unfortunately, those that don't, like 97% of the world, unfortunately will pay it. Okay? This is about getting on the other side of money. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. I'm here to tell you the financial minister, Bitcoin is the ninth wonder of the world. What do you think's going to happen when you marry the two together? Ching ching,
Ching, ching.
right? That's simple. Look, this ain't rocket science. Okay. Again, this is about how you can control your own financial destiny, create wealth, and create a new destiny and a new legacy. Become your own bank. And it's simple. You have full control over your investment. There's no lockdowns, no contracts, right? No hidden fees. We already talked about that. Nothing. Look, withdraw your. We had an amazing, amazing week. You can withdraw
Woo!
all. Yes, say that again. Like, look,
Woo!
we had an amazing week. Take all your profits. Take all your money. It doesn't matter. That's your money. You're your own bank. Withdraw whenever you want, as much as you like. Deposit as much as you like. There's no fees. I don't care if you sit back in front of your computer and make a withdrawal all day, every hour. We don't care. It's your account. Withdrawal request will be submitted within 48 hours. Fastest I've seen the system work is an hour and 18 minutes. Today's Saturday. There's no trading. What if you submit a withdrawal now? Okay, maybe it may take up to Monday. All right. Look, I'm talking to my investors. This is simple. Don't complicate it. This is providing you with passive income, having a system where your money works harder than you do. Sustainable income. It happens every single day, right? No one has to join for anybody to get paid. That's powerful. This is a long-term legacy investment. Okay. And the beautiful thing is Bitcoin is in trade, working for you, growing. Right? People like Marvin, just be quiet. How do I get started now? Right? It's free. Don't
Right.
talk anymore. Right? I understand. Okay. Simply at least thank the person first, right? Because they gave you something for free. They ain't sell you nothing. Ask them for their referral link. You can sign up for free, create a username, email, password, bam, you're registered. Okay. Look, fun with whatever you like, right? I got investors. We have investors that come into the investment platform. The company I've heard $100,000, $50,000 worth of Bitcoin, two, three, five Bitcoin. Not look. I don't care if you got $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Come in with whatever you like, right? But if this is you and you only got $100, I still salute you. As a matter of fact, We applaud you. The
Yes.
financial minister and Coach CJ applauds you because you got to do something different to get something different. Take that small seed and multiply it, and let us show you how to take that $100 and turn it into 100,000 worth of Bitcoin.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that's simple. But whatever you decide to do, you must fund immediately, or your account will be deleted in 7 days. Again, this is very simple. You're earning passively every single day. Your Bitcoin is growing every single day and putting you in a position where you can create wealth and achieve that new destiny. It's very simple. Okay. Like I told you, I showed you. I don't know if some of you guys were, quick with numbers, right? I told everyone being an investor, 40% of the profits you will earn every single day for free. A lot of you guys were quick and noticed there's an additional 35% that you can profit on, right? So without any further ado, I want to pass the torch to my partner in success, the binary queen from the West. Drum roll, please. I tried, right? The one and only Minister Coach CJ Johnson. Take it away.
Woo! Oh
Round of applause.
my
Look, drop some
gosh.
dollar signs in the chat for Coach. Drop them, drop them, drop them, drop them, drop them. Drop it like it's hot.
Oh
Yes,
my
indeed.
gosh. Marvin, thank you so, so, so much. We are having too much fun. This is
Yeah.
absolutely amazing and incredible. And I feel so fulfilled and just so happy and pleased that we're able to open the floodgates and just let everyone in.
Yeah.
Just let everyone
Wow.
in. I recall, just like you, being a part of that whole multi-level marketing world and feeling as though
Mhm.
I was always being left behind, and the
Wow.
celebrating was taking place on the stage up front, and
Mm.
they feed you a little bit and you're like, oh man, one day I'm going to get there. But when you're in the trenches, it's
Wow.
like, how does this really work? But
Mm.
this is something that we can share with people that's absolutely free. It's not a multi-level marketing company, so there's no pressure, no stress. I
Wow.
mean, the heavy lifting is done by that AI software that's doing that trading every day. That's who's doing the heavy lifting with this. And I mean, that baby is consistent.
Mm.
It is consistent. So it makes us just, oh man, just extremely excited that we get the privilege of just sharing this with other people.
Yeah.
Like you said, we could be asleep this Saturday morning, early morning, and on the West Coast is 3 hours earlier than it is there
Mm-mm-mm.
on the East Coast. So it would be good to hug that pillow a little bit. But I mean, we love people. We want to see people free. We know that there are people that are hurting, and
Yeah.
we have the solution. We have an answer that will cost them nothing.
Mm.
that's
Wow.
that's I I'm not going to go on and on about that, but that's mind blowing.
Yes.
That's mind blowing, Marvin. So thank you so much for sharing the foundation and the heart and soul and core of this investment company. So what I am going to share is a residual income opportunity. It's not multi-level marketing, just like I mentioned, but it is a referral rewards aspect that unlocks some additional right? Some additional bonuses. So let's get on to the next slide and let's see what those bonuses are. Okay, so MTI, above and beyond what Marvin has already shared with you, offers three types of bonuses within the referral program. Now, straight off the bat, if it's a referral program, it involves referring your friends, family, loved ones, neighbors, friends, enemies. And Marvin this morning said, even your ex, he said, stop hating.
Yeah.
That is the truth. Because honestly, at the core of everything that we do, we have to love ourselves. And when we love ourselves, we can't help but love other people, even if we don't like them in the moment. We want to see everyone win. So let me just unpack these three bonuses, guys. If you are willing to open up and just share this amazing, amazing opportunity with a few other people, I'm telling you, MTI makes it worth your while. MTI makes it worth your while. So the very first bonus that you can unlock is real easy to unlock too, is a 10% direct referral bonus. I mean, this is the simplest, easiest bonus to unlock within this system. And let me share this with you. It simply means that you assist someone else register their account. That's it. That's it. You know, your mom, your child, your cousin, your friend, your sister, your brother. It's like, hey, I found out about an investment account that you can open up and earn anywhere from 8 to 12% a month. Based on this whole trading system. And guys, your finances are sitting in a bank somewhere, or in the mattress, or in the coffee can, or wherever it is, but it's not growing in there. Why don't you sit it over here with this company and let it compound every single day? That person says, okay, cool. Let me just put some money over there and let me see how it works for me. They register using your link. MTI pays you a 10% direct referral bonus. That person may fund their account with the recommended minimum of $100 worth of Bitcoin, or they may fund their account with $100,000 worth of Bitcoin. We have investors that have thousands and thousands upon thousands of dollars invested in their personal account, but it's strictly up to you. At that point, MTI pays you a direct referral bonus of 10% for your investor who deposited $100 worth of Bitcoin. That's 10 additional dollars worth of Bitcoin that goes into your account that you get access to. If your new investor funds their account with $100,000, that is $10,000 worth of Bitcoin that you have access to, that becomes yours to put in your account and to continue compounding, or even to withdraw and you can live on, man. So this is powerful. This direct referral bonus is absolutely powerful. In addition, there's another little pool of money, and it's a 20% weekly profit sharing money. And in your mind's eye, just envision every single day the trading is taking place in the Forex market. I mean, after all, your local bank, when you open a savings account, that's what they do with your money anyway. They take it to the global economy and trade it. They grow your money, but they don't share any of the profits with you. Hmm. Things that make you things that make you go, that's interesting. So why not do it yourself? Why not become your own bank and do it yourself? So here we have a 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. So there's the second little bucket of money. Every single day, 20% goes into it. Every day, 20% of the profit, whatever that profit is overall for the entire results of the trading that takes place. This 20% goes in the bucket every single day. Another 20% every single day. Okay, we earned this much the third day. 20% of that goes into the same little bucket. And then every late Friday night, early Saturday morning, you get to share in whatever's in that bucket, along with the other folks who have qualified to earn this 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. And this is the operative word here. That profit sharing bonus is paid out how often? Weekly. An opportunity for you to create a weekly stream of income. Marvin and I were not joking when we said financial stimulus Saturdays. We are literally unveiling to you an opportunity and a way that you can create a weekly paycheck that comes into your household every single week on time. And it's absolutely incredible. And then lastly, we have a third little pot of money, and it is the leadership bonus. Now, this is for folks who are looking to just really share this with the world. Folks like Marvin and I, maybe folks like you who just can't keep it to yourself. There's a church song that went, Like that said, I wasn't going to tell nobody, but I couldn't keep it to myself. Don't start me this morning, Marvin.
Yes.
I'm telling you. I said I wasn't going to tell nobody, but I just couldn't
But
keep it to myself. So that is what that 5% leadership bonus is. MTI recognizes that you're duplicating yourself. You're sharing with your investors and encouraging them to get involved at a higher level and unlock these bonuses. They pay you an additional 5% bonus for that. So let me just give you a little sneak peek into how these bonuses work. Let's see that next slide. Let's see what it says. Man, referral rewards. Okay, so we're talking about the referral rewards program. All bonuses come from daily trading income and are therefore financially sustainable. Because I know when I just mentioned to you that if your new investor deposits $100,000 worth of Bitcoin in their personal account and MTI pays you a bonus of direct referral bonus of $10,000, I'm sure in your mind you're like, well, how is that even sustainable? What if my investor withdraws they withdraws their deposit over time? What happens? How's that sustainable? It's sustainable because of the trading that takes place every day. That artificial intelligence system is pumping profits into the system every single day, Monday through Friday. So the flow of profits is continually flowing in, and that's what sustains these bonuses. Next slide. So, regarding this 10% direct referral bonus, I would love to share something with you. And this is just a little word of wisdom to you. And want you to really understand something, that MTI is a real company and these profits are real. Bitcoin, the value of Bitcoin is real. So, as your account grows, Marvin mentioned earlier, you can withdraw at any time. I've made multiple withdrawals out of my account because I had stuff going on in my real everyday, day to day life that needed financial attention. And I reached my hand right into my MTI account and extracted my some Bitcoin and transferred it back into, or converted it back into fiat currency, into US dollar. That we're here in the United States, and I paid bills with it. I've bought groceries with it. I've traveled with the profits that I earned from my account. And so even with you, you may find yourself in a situation that, man, I'm trying to like just really compound this every day. I don't want to touch my investment account. However, life happens. So you may find yourself in an emergency situation and you need money. Your account is there. Access it if you need to, but I would just encourage you to leave at least $50 worth of Bitcoin in your account. And this is the reason why. If you leave at least $50 worth of Bitcoin in your account, you will continue to qualify to earn the 10% direct referral bonus. So depending on whether you're able to replace what you withdrew or not, if you leave that $50 worth of Bitcoin there, you can always build your account back up just through referral bonuses, just through helping other people register their accounts. And then you'll start seeing your account grow, direct referral bonus, one at a time. Uh, one direct referral bonus at a time is what I'm trying to say. One direct referral bonus at a time. So this is a beautiful, beautiful program for those who are interested. Next slide. So let's talk about this 20%. I mentioned to you earlier, 20% of the daily income results are allocated to the weekly binary profit sharing pool. Remember, every single day, 20% of the total amount of profits that comes in goes, we stacking it over on the side in a little special place for those of us who qualify to receive that payout at the end of the week, right? Next slide. I love this, Marvin. You know that, right?
yes, this is
Man,
all you.
so so this is how you qualify, because I know at this point you're like, okay, so how do I access that, cash is being stacked over on the side, that Bitcoin that's being stashed? Simply by funding your personal account with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. And then, because this is the referral side of the investment opportunity, should you determine that you want to participate, the folks that you refer have at least two of them that fund their account with no less than $100 worth of Bitcoin. And you will become what we call BQ, binary qualified, which unlocks that 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. And let me just say something about that bonus real quick. That bonus is powerful, guys. Over time, if you are doing this referral program, and you have other folks, that other investors who are also sharing with their family and friends, I tell you that weekly, for me, shoot, it was pennies at first, $1.11, $11, $17, and I just saw each week that bonus would grow and grow and increase and increase. I mean, $100 a week, $200 a week, $300 a week, $400 a week. Absolutely incredible. So I said, and I mentioned early on, and I'm reiterating it right now, this is an opportunity for you to create a sustainable weekly cash flow, your own weekly stimulus, and it's powerful. Next slide. Binary bonuses are paid. By this point, you already know, right? We've already talked about this weekly paycheck. So, binary bonuses are paid every week according to the Bitcoin value in your weaker leg. This is creating your weekly residual income, and I love using the word passive income, because you don't have to do anything other than tell a few other folks and help them set up their free account. But there is a cap. There is a cap to how much that weekly bonus can be. And if this slide is correct, or if I'm reading it correctly, it could be saying, because there's no decimals, no commas here. So let's look at this. It could be saying that this weekly bonus caps at $750 worth of Bitcoin per week. That would be incredible. An additional $750 worth of Bitcoin coming into your family, coming into your household, coming into your personal budget every single week. That in and of itself is life changing. But folks, I've got to tell you, this does not say $750 worth of Bitcoin per week. This is $75,000. I'm going to let you sit in this for a minute. I want you to feel this. $75,000 worth of Bitcoin per week coming into your household. That is what this particular program caps. That's where the cap is for the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Absolutely transformative. Nothing like it. Next slide. I love this slide because it reveals really how passionate the CEO is about everyone winning and everyone retaining whatever bonus they earn. Listen, your bonuses sit in your back office for 7 days. You generate a bonus, whether it's a direct referral bonus or whether it's the 20% profit sharing bonus. It sits in your back office. Well, first of all, it appears there immediately. And then there's a little timer next to it. And it sits there for 7 days until it is released into your control for you to do with as you choose. You could put it into your trading pool and let it continue to compound along with your other Bitcoin, or you could withdraw it and use it for your day-to-day expenses or for an emergency that comes up, or for some recreation, whatever you choose. But the 7-day pending period, it's sitting there, and it is being traded as well every single day, compounding every single day, making sure that the system with MTI is strong, and that once that 7 days is over, even if your person that you have referred, even if they withdraw their Bitcoin, and we're talking now about that person, let's say, that deposits that $100,000 or $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, man, you say, Coach, well, after 8 days, my new investor withdrew all of their Bitcoin. MTI has already paid me my 10% bonus off of it. Am I going to suffer a chargeback? The answer is absolutely not. It doesn't matter what your new investor does. It doesn't matter what your person who you referred does with their account. Once that 7 days is over, your bonus belongs to you. That is absolutely powerful. I love focusing on that $10,000 bonus off of the $100,000 investment.
Yeah.
I'm speaking it into existence.
Mm.
Yes and amen. All right, next slide.
You better
Next slide.
receive that.
Okay, we have that 5% leadership bonus. Remember, we're talking about these little buckets and these little areas where MTI throughout the week is stashing some Bitcoin to the side to fund these bonuses. Now, this leadership bonus is a 5% bonus, and it is paid out above and beyond your 20% weekly profit sharing bonus, above and beyond the 10% direct referral bonus, and even above and beyond the daily compounding that's taking place every day for every investor. This is absolutely incredible. When we first started with the company back in November, there was no 5% leadership bonus. This is something that the CEO rolled out maybe a couple of months ago. I want to say maybe about maybe 2.5 months ago. Absolutely powerful. Marvin loves to say it like this: is more
Mm.
money on top of more money making more money. I think that's the
Yeah,
way he says it. Absolutely.
absolutely.
So that additional 5%, how do you unlock this? Because we don't want to leave any Bitcoin on the table. At least I don't. And if I am feeling what I'm feeling right now, I would venture to say that you don't want to leave any Bitcoin on the table either. We want to get that Bitcoin in your account. So let me show you how to get this leadership bonus. It's simply by helping other people and by duplicating yourself. You're already binary qualified at this point, unlocking that 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Remember, you needed to fund your personal account with $200 worth of Bitcoin. Well, to unlock that leadership bonus, that additional 5%, you just duplicate yourself. Those investors that you're bringing in, have them also fund their accounts with $200 or no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. Of course, it can be 2,000, it can be 1,500, it can be 100,000, but as long as it's no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin, as long as it's no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin, and you duplicate yourself and your new investors do the same, you unlock that additional 5% leadership bonus. Absolutely powerful. Good, good, good stuff. Next slide. MTI is a real company, you guys. It's a real company. This isn't a lot of smoke and mirrors, a lot of, fast talk, used cars salesman
Hey,
speech.
hey, hey, hey.
No, you're not. You're a broker, man. You're not. You're different. You're a boss. That's different.
Right.
But the guys who are out on the car lot and they're really
Right.
not getting much of anything, and they'll say anything to sell you.
Exactly.
So this is not that at all. MTI is a real company. It's extremely straightforward. We have trading profits that are coming in every day, that's paying us our income, that's paying us our bonuses, and that's causing the system to be sustainable every single day. And if we run across the day, it hasn't happened in the past 11 months, but let's just say if we run across the day that there are no profits, no harm, no foul. This is an investment. That's what happens with mutual funds. You just can't see it because you don't have control over your account,
Mm.
right? Companies have losses all the time,
Yes.
all the
Yes.
time. So if we have a day that everything is flat, there's no profits, then no income is paid that particular day. No big deal. No big deal. And like Marvin mentioned earlier, the trading system is managed by traders who know how to
Mm.
trade. So as the market conditions, and Marvin, this is a question we get all the time, especially during this pandemic, especially with folks looking at the
Mm.
news saying that the markets have just crashed. And how is this system doing well in the midst of this chaos? Because when you trade, it doesn't matter whether the markets are going up or they're going
Mm,
down. If you know how to
right.
trade, baby, you can make your money. That's why we were in
Ah,
Forex in the first place. Woo!
exactly.
And that's what this trading software is doing. It's making money whether the markets are crashing or whether the markets are
Yeah.
soaring. It doesn't matter. And it's managed by real traders who know how to adjust the software so that it excels in any market
Hmm.
environment. Oh my God, that's priceless.
Um,
So, anyway, MTI is a real company
hmm.
and it is a phenomenal opportunity. So, just please remember we've talked about 10% bonuses. We've talked about 20% profit sharing bonuses, maxing at $75,000 worth of Bitcoin a week. We've discussed an additional 5% leadership bonus. Man, this sounds incredible. Well, but the one thing that I would love for you to take away from this is understanding and always remembering that it's not a multi-level marketing structure. This is each independent investor on their own deciding to take advantage of a referral program. We're each independent in this as investors. Collectively, we benefit as we all go up, but if somebody chooses not to do it, you don't have to do it. You don't have to refer anyone. I have a number of investors that are sitting there perched on their accounts, and their accounts are
Right.
swelling, and they haven't opened their mouth to tell anybody else, and that is their prerogative.
Their
So they
prerogative.
have decided not to participate in the referral program. Marvin and I, however, on the other hand, we
Hmm.
want it all. We're not leaving any Bitcoin on the table. So this is Coach CJ. Get with the person who invited you to this watch party. Have a serious conversation with them. Demonstrate how serious you are by downloading your Exodus wallet. It's an Exodus cryptocurrency wallet that you will need to handle your transactions. It's totally free. Go to your app store, download it. It'll take you all of about 30 seconds to get it downloaded on your phone. Again, this is not multi level marketing, it's just a referral program that's associated with a solid investment opportunity.
Uh,
This is a picture of two individuals who are financially free. They are leaping for joy, and we want this to be you and your friends, your family. Marvin and I sometimes say that it's he and I. We are ecstatic.
yeah.
We are living this every single day. I don't worry about not one bill. Right in even in the middle
What's
of the
that?
pandemic. What's a hey, listen.
The guy I
This
talked to named Bill?
is
What's a bill?
what's a bill? It's true. It's so true. And we are on the only reason we are here is because we want to take you with us. That's the only reason.
Right.
Marvin said it earlier. If we don't do another Facebook Live, we are good. We could stop today and say, you know what, coach, we're 15 days in. Forget the other 15 days. We
Right.
don't have to open our mouths another time. Our Bitcoin is compounding every day. We're getting those bonuses. We're good. The only reason we are here is to bring financial freedom to those who need it so desperately, like you or maybe someone that you know. So get with the person who invited you. This is Coach CJ. As always, I will see you at the top because we all know that the
The
bottom
bottom.
is way too crowded.
And never
Thank
going back
you,
there
thank
again.
you, thank you, Marvin.
Salute, coach. I'm truly grateful for you, man. And just thank you so much for all you do, sharing out this powerful information. Look, we don't even need to do Q&A. Get back with the person that gave you this powerful information. Thank them. I know you're probably thanking them now, all right? You were truly blessed. I know everyone was blessed with this information. We'll be back live and direct, full effect, a little bit less than 5 hours, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You know the routine. Invite some people. Your life will never be the same. We know that you received this blessing. We know that this was some powerful information that changed and gave you at least a vision that you too can join us, lock arms with us for free, and achieve financial freedom and
Yes.
start your path to that new destiny. I'm the financial minister. She's Coach CJ. We'll see you in a few hours. Change your mindset, change your life, and it will never be the same. This call is officially over, and we'll see you live at 5 and 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Good evening. I have a sensational, sustainable Stimulus Saturday.
That's right.
Woo!
I have to write that down. Absolutely.
Yes, write it down for me because I ain't going to remember.
Sensation.